Are you too busy to eat healthy? Cece Cheney here, and if that is you, I have been there, and I've got something special for you. So I'm really excited about this because I was just sort of reminiscing on my life, right, and the situations I've been in. And look, at one point in my life, I used to work in inpatient psych, and I used to work 12-hour overnight shifts, 7 p to 7 a.m., and those were some crazy days, right? Those were some crazy days, quite literally, right? And I used to work by myself, which meant I could go from the beginning of my shift to the end of my shift and barely have a moment to breathe, right? I might just be able to grab a quick drink, right? Just be able to grab some Doritos, right? But not really, I really didn't feel like I had the time to sit down and eat a meal. Most nights I didn't eat. I didn't eat like a solid thing, but I wish that I had a way to better sustain myself when I was in that situation. And so I get it. I totally get it. And if you are someone who is in that situation, I've got something really exciting for you. Just this week, we have released a brand new meal replacement shake, which I'm so excited about. It tastes amazing. I got a little sneak peek. And it is jam-packed with the vitamins and minerals you need to actually sustain yourself, right? So that you can actually go and do all of those amazing things that you want to do, right? And it is, like I said, it's delicious, right? And so this is a great way for you to get the nutrition you need, right? And do it in a convenient and very simple way. So if you are someone who's like, you know what? I do care about my health. That is something I value. I want to do better. I just don't know how I'm going to find the time. Shoot me a message, right? Shoot me a message and I will get some info over to you. You can take a look and see if it's something that makes sense for you in your lifestyle. And if that's the case, we can hook you up. Otherwise, I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.